Good evening, students. Today I'm here with a small video with respect to the CA final study outs and revision examination batches. As you all know that the Masterminds is famous across the nation on pan-India basis in conducting the study outs and revision examinations since from last few years. And we are not just the leaders in these services, we are also the pioneers. Now let me start with the details of the CA final study outs and revision examination batches. We have started this batch on February 7, 2022 for the upcoming May 2022 examinations, and the first revision examination is going to be on February 20th. And this batch is available at all our branches, including the central office, Guntur. At all our branches, including the central office, Guntur. Let me tell you the places where the branches of Masterminds are available, like Vijayawada, Rajahmundry, Vizag, Nellore, Tirupati, Kurnool, Hyderabad. And in case of Hyderabad, we have multiple branches, but CA final studies and revision examination batches are available only at Dilshuk Nagar and Amirpet. And if apart from the offline batches, I mean to say apart from the physical batches, the students can even appear for the revision examinations in online mode also. That is popularly called as Masterminds Test Series, MMTS. And at our central office, both boys and girls hostel facility is also available. And for the convenience of the students, we are accepting the payment of hostel fees in multiple installments, unlike earlier. See, earlier we used to accept the fee payment of hostel fees only as a down payment, only in single installment. Now we are accepting the fee payment for hostel fees in multiple installments. And apart from this, we are even providing the free rapid revision batch videos as complimentary. So rapid revision batch video means the video made by the expert faculty covering the entire subject within a short span of 40 to 50 hours. In case of a student who joined for study hours and revision examination batches, one video will be given as a free complimentary. That too, please do note that this benefit is available only for physical batch students. Only for physical batch students. I mean to say only those students who are joined in offline mode. The second one, two rapid revision batch videos will be given for repeaters. What do you mean by repeaters? Those students who would have already taken admission for CA Finance study hours and revision examination batches earlier and want to take admission again in Masterminds, either for both the groups or for single group. And three rapid revision batch videos will be given instead of two or instead of one for those students who take admission as a hostler. And you can choose of your choice. Subjects can be chosen by the students of their choice. And we'll make an announcement in the classroom about the availability of the various subjects with respect to the rapid revision vertical. Next one, separate schedule is available for both group students and single group students. And for both these schedules, I repeat, for both these schedules, I mean to say student either join for both groups or for single group, we are going to conduct the revision examinations on twice a week basis, both on Wednesday and on Sunday. And compared to earlier batches, I repeat, compared to earlier batches, the fee has been reduced tremendously. And apart from that, as a token of support to the students community, we are making the payment of GST at the rate of 18% out of our pocket. And you may have a question, sir, how many examinations you are going to conduct till the completion of the batch? In case of both the groups, we are going to conduct 62 examinations. And in case of single group students, we are going to conduct 58 examinations. Let me repeat, we are going to conduct examinations twice a week, even for both the group students and for single group students as well. And unlike others, we offer the following services. Service number one, we give the schedule from day one to the last day. And we are going to end the services on May 10, 2022. And second one, we conduct the examination on weekly twice basis. And third one, immediately after completion of the examination, we provide the suggested answers. And within 2 weeks, or at max 3 weeks, we even complete the valuation and we even provide the valuation report on customized basis. I mean to say for each and every student individually. on customized basis. And we are going to even have the supporting faculty services for counseling of probable failures. For counseling of probable failures. And let me highlight that. We are going to offer the valuation services not just for the physical batch students. We are going to offer the valuation services even for the online students also. We are going to share the suggested answers even for online students also. And we are also going to conduct the examinations in MCQ pattern also. And please do note that our examination question papers and suggested answers will be prepared by a team of experts, having 10 members and having more than 5 years of rich experience in this area. And question papers and suggested answers will be verified at 3 different levels so that the question papers will be in par with the public examinations. And I'd like to share another 2 happy things. See, earlier we used to conduct the study hours from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Now we are extended it. For all the students, our study hours timings will be from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. and the interested students can avail the services of extended study hours by making a nominal payment of approximately 500 rupees per month. And those students who are going to avail the extended study hours, they'll be offered the study hours. They'll be offered the study hours from morning 6:30 to 8 a.m. and again from 9:30 p.m. to 12 p.m. In simple, the students can attend the study hours if they can make an additional payment of 500 rupees for availing the extended study hours from morning 6:30 a.m. to night 12 p.m. Do remember, this is in addition to the normal study hours that we conduct in between 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. And we are going to conduct the study hours in AC classrooms at our selected branches. I'm happy to share that. Till now, many of you may feel surprised. Till now, 300 plus admissions have been completed in just 3 days after announcement of the CA final results, only in offline mode, and that too only at Guntur campus. I'm not counting the admissions that we had at our branches. I'm not counting the admissions that we had in online mode. And before I conclude, I'd like to share the achievements that are being secured, that are being achieved by our students at final level. To begin with, this is about the latest achievement. As all aware, 3 of our students have secured all India ranks in the top 50, which are 19th rank by Charan and 30th rank by Naveen and 40th rank by Sahiti in the recent CA final results. And these are the all India ranks secured by our students in 2021 CA final results. Near about 8 ranks have been secured by our students in the top 50. And 2020 is a memorable year for us. It's a memorable year for us. You know what's the reason? Our student by name Pranit has secured all India first rank at CA final level. Apart from the first rank, 8 other students are secured all India ranks. In total, 9 students are secured all India ranks in the year 2020 at CA final level. And you'll be surprised to know that 49 students are secured all India ranks in the last 5 years of CA final results, which amounts to on an average 10 all India ranks in the top 50 in each year. And these are the students who secured a single digit rank in the last 3 years, in 2020, 2019, 2018, if I'm right, at CA final level. And I'm proud to share that our students not only excelled at CA final level, they also performed extremely well in CMA final also. And our student by name Guru Bhaskar has secured all India first rank at CMA final level in 2020. And another student by name Nikhil has secured all India first rank in CMA final 2021 results. And you can even find this posting even today in our Masterminds official Facebook page. Near about 900 plus students have qualified in CA final results from Masterminds. It includes both the students who are qualified, both the groups are single group. And we are displayed, we are listed out, we have published the list of all the students, including the details like name, hall ticket number of all the 941 students. See, it is not just claiming, an achievement. It is even publishing an achievement or even disclosing the details or even providing the details with with respect to that achievement makes a big difference. Makes a big difference. See, many people claim a lot, but they provide a very little information with respect to the claims they make. But we are totally different. We are not just claim, we even provide the detailed information for every such claim. Hope you appreciate that transparency. And this is our CA final campus by name Pavanaputra at Guntur central office. Majority of this campus is being used for CA final right now. And before I conclude, I'd like to state two things. Apart from the study hours and revision examination batches, we are even offering the video recorded lectures for sale. And again, that is of two types. And of course, this is available only in online mode, not in offline mode, only in online mode, but not in offline mode. And again, it is of two types. One, the rapid revision batch videos, where student can revise the entire syllabus within a short span of 40 to 45 hours. And that is available for a nominal price of 1,250 rupees with one view and with 1 month validity. And of course, the same videos are also available for a little higher price with 1.5 views and 3 months validity. And again, the regular batch videos, I mean to say, the video lectures of the same faculty, which offers an explanation in a very detailed manner. Approximately each subject will be dealt for nearly 200 hours. So these videos are also available in two variants. One with 3 months validity, one view option at a discounted price, and the second format is 1.5 view with validity up to December 1st, 2022. And the second one is available for a little higher price. Say, for example, auditing, if I'm right, the one view with 3 months validity regular batch video is available for a sale price of 4,000 rupees. Whereas the second one with a validity up to December 1st, 2022 with 1.5 view option is available roughly for a price of 8,000 or 8,500 rupees. And dear students, if at all, if you want to reach me, if you need any sort of help, you can please send an email to msnmohan2013@gmail.com, and don't forget to share your phone number, your contact number also. Thank you. Thanks a lot.